I eat a lot of pomegranate seed. But today, I'm going to make a nice, lovely drink. So what we're going to do, we're going to put some pomegranate seed into the blender. Like this. A large pack of pomegranate seed. Alright, so we're going to make a nice, lovely juice. Alright, then after you do that, because I'm not going to be staying too long with the show, I'm going to do very quickly. I'm going to get some carrot. Alright, I'm going to use 2 medium-sized carrots. So pomegranate seed and carrot, as you can see it for yourself right there. So I'm just cutting up some carrot at the moment. Alright, that's looking good. We're gonna get a nice lovely chunk of piece of a ginger. I'm gonna put that ginger straight inside of it. Right here I have some beetroot, which I already prepped and washed off. It's roughly about 3 medium-sized beetroot. Alright, so yeah, this is what I've been doing right now. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to put this beetroot into the blender also. Alright, roughly about 3 medium-sized beetroot. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it. Alright, we got lemon juice that we're gonna put inside of it. So we got pomegranate seed, carrot, ginger, beetroot right there. Alright, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pop a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Alright, yeah, and that is lovely. Yeah, we're gonna put some water inside of it. Alright, to free up the blender. I'm using roughly about a bottle of water inside of it. Alright, I know it's gonna be a little bit too much water, but I want a lot of liquid from this one, so I'm using enough water inside of it. Alright, lovely. Now once you do that, then what we're gonna do, I'm going to blend up this, guys. Alright, simple recipe, but this is one of the recipes which also I was using in my illness. Alright, so let's blend it up and make some noise. Lovely. Alright, so, oh man, this is amazing, guys. Honestly, this is fantastic. The flavor, the texture, everything is amazing. Look at this. Look at the richness of this. Alright, yeah, that's what Chef Ricardo been talking about. So I just decided to share this with you guys today. See that? Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Lots of pomegranate seed and carrot and beetroot and ginger. Good to go. Yeah. 100%. Nice one. All right, that is good. Really, really, really good, guys. Honestly. Proper juices, guys. Yeah, man. Spread the rest out in this. Is that lovely, guys? Let me know what you think. Alright? Pomegranate seed, carrot, ginger, lemon, and beetroot. Okay? Now, if you think this is a beautiful drink, the one thing you need to do is leave your comments in the description box. Please do that, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. That is fantastic. I love it. So what we're gonna do, let's put this one side. All right, I'm gonna get a lemon. All right, we're gonna squeeze out a lemon. All right, squeeze out a lemon like this. Thank you so much, Earsism. Craig, what's going on with you? Big up yourself, man. How does I support Chef Ricardo? Thank you so much for the love, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to put this lemon juice into it. Like this. All right. Yeah. Give that a mix. And then what we're going to do, we're going to taste it. Wow, that is so perfect. Nothing else. Right amount of liquid, right amount of energy, right amount of everything inside of it is beautiful, guys. It's fantastic. The flavor, the texture. Mwah. You know what makes the difference? I tip a little bit of apple cider vinegar in also. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, that is a beautiful one. So what I'm gonna do, because sometimes I like to run it back through my strainer like this one. All right. Yeah, I like to run it back through this one. And so this one. Yeah, this one kind of take out some of the rough bit, because there's some rough bit coming out from the but it's all right, you know. All right, you don't want to have too much of this going inside of you. It's good for you, but sometimes you have to try and avoid some of it. This bit right here. You know what I mean? You can have this. There's nothing wrong with this bit. Sometimes, let me taste this one. Yeah, this was alright. Very, very good. Alright. Yeah, that is nice. Very, very, very nice, guys. Alright. Let me see this now. Everywhere is getting ready enough, but you know what I mean, it can clean up. Alright. Let me see what I go on right now with this juice. That is amazing. Wow. The flavor. Wow. Cheers, guys. Wow. 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 To be honest with you, I was gonna save some, but I don't think that look gonna happen. To be honest with you. Yeah. Yeah. Good for diabetes. This guy, JPA know exactly. Let me tell you sometimes some people see you make this kind of drink, but they don't understand the full 100% benefit. Every one of these kind of drink is not like for cold or flu. Some of these drinks is like for fight against certain kind of inflammation in your body. All right? Yeah. But it's amazing. The only sad thing, sorry I didn't have more ingredients to make another batch. That is amazing, guys. Wow, that is beautiful. Now, if you like this recipe and you like to see something else similar like this, let Chef Ricardo know. Because we can always make it something nice, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, I was going to save some in this. I don't think it's going to happen. It's not going to happen. Look at this. Guys, for such a long time, I don't drink something which I really enjoy like this. Tell me which fizzy juice you can drink and you enjoy something like this. No sugar in this. This is all natural, guys. All right. Eli, thank you so much, man. All right. Yeah. So as you can see for yourself. But you know what happened? I'm full now, man. I'm full up. I'm full up, guys. To be honest with you, I'm really, really full up. Nice one. Lee Booby, thank you so much. JPA 500, thank you so much. Yasmin Martin, thank you so much. You can use lime if you don't have lemon, or you can use lemon if you don't have no lime, or you can use lime if you don't have any lemon. All right? Beautiful. Cheers, guys. Wow. Wow. Mwah, that is amazing. The flavor and the texture is so delicious. Right here. Wow. It's amazing. But the thing is, I'm going to be full now. And that's the problem with Chef Ricardo right now. I'm full. But this, I like drinking this natural juice, you know what I mean? Oh my God. Can't get no more tight. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Do you guys see exactly what just happened a while ago? If you guys see what happened, just see what happened. It's one of the best juice I make for such a very long time. I love this. I tell you something, I make it before. But this time I drink it and I taste it and I said to myself, nah, man.